Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alagar Raja. I am from Digitify U. We are a small digital marketing company in Chennai. We are a growing digital marketing company. So, if you are a business owner and you know marketing is a very important part of your business to promote your product so that it will get hit in across all the stores. So, uh, these YouTube videos will help you to understand how the bigger companies have done their marketing when they are launching their products, so that you can also implement small from this information. You can implement good marketing strategies to your products and you can grow your business, or you can scale your business from there. So the one company, there are a lot of companies today. As a first company, I'm going to take it as a first company, a chewing gum company. You know what is the market cap of this chewing gum company, and you know what is the market, global market of this chewing gum company. The global market of a chewing gum is around $20 billion. So in 20 to 24 time, this is going to reach or hit $25 billion. Really? You are surprised? Yes, the chewing gum business is a bigger business. It's having a bigger market business. So the 1 rupee chewing gum, how it's impacted a bigger market. That is what we are going to see today. I'm going to talk about only the company which is in India. Not only in India, it is basically a Spain company which is came to India, and last 25 to 30 years it has came at 1990s, early 90s. Still now the company is surviving with a huge market cap. So how they did their marketing campaigns, or how they plan their marketing strategies, till now I'm going to tell. You know what is that company? Can anybody guess? There are a lot of companies. This is the one company called Boomer. I hope so you can able to see this. Okay, in any part of your life, definitely you might be use this Boomer at any time to refresh your mouth, or to get out of the sleep at late nights, or to have a better jaw exercise, correct? And or if you are in a cricket for a style icon, or as a inspiring from our other cricketers, so we might be use this Boomer. Yeah, this is the one company came to India at 1995. They are a confectionery company. They are also doing lot of chocolates and other mint gums. So this brand has never changed their packing and name and color until now, but still this name is into the market across all the stores, from the petty shops to supermarkets. Now it came into Amazon also. So this company started its operation in 1995 with the campaigning of Masket. You know that Boomer who is saving whenever a child having a problem, immediately Boomer has come and saving the child. Like in our 90s, there is one serial called Shaktiman telecasted across India. It is a national serial. I'm also fond of that. Every Sunday I will sit in front of the T to watch that Shaktiman. Same kind of adaptation has been done in this Boomer, and it was a huge hit. So before that we were chewing like Big Bubble and other chewing products. One big Boomer came into the market. I think they have dominated the market like anything. They have started with the Boomer maskets, and they are started giving free stickers, some of the cards, everything. So this is how they have started in 1995, but till now they are in the market with this only 1 rupee product. See, you can see that 1 rupee product also can able to make your business into millions. Okay, so it is easy. Before it is very easy, not easy, but with a very good planning and strategy, it is possible. Okay, before with the conventional marketing techniques, you have to spend crores and crores of money, but in this digital world you can do it at any point of time with the minimum cost, but that is possible to earn millions in for your business with the 1 rupee product. Yeah, 1 rupee product. Yes. Why am I again and again underlining this in this 1 rupee product? Because this is the company where we will be using this product maybe for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes, when we spit it out, just a 1 rupee product. But you can see that their product design has not changed, their packing has not changed, their branding has not changed, but still this is are selling like anything else. Only in pandemic it has down for a couple of months, but still again it is increasing. See, you can ask a question, oh, with this one product without any innovation, did they survive? No, I didn't tell like that. They tried couple of different tastes like chocolate. For competing eclairs chocolate, they started with the chocolate gums, but it was not so hit, so they discontinued. I don't know, maybe they are still in the market in couple of areas. So how they adapted, you can understood, they have given a very good concept like basket concept, where it is they have started targeting from children like from 6 years to 14. This is their target audience when they come into the Indian market. Once there are law enforcement comes, they were very clear they should not put ad in the cartoon networks and they should not target the children's. Then they changed their marketing strategy by targeting more than teenagers like from 14 to 25 with the same product. Nothing has changed, only couple of flavors they changed, and they launched as for a adult only product, or for adults from 15 to 25. Now they are planning to bring this into home, where you can use this product at any time, after a meal or before a meal, or refreshing of your mouth while gym, or while you are free, you are alone, or when you are chatting with your friends. So this is how they are putting them in top of the product list in chewing gum. If you go and Google it, you can find out a lot of informations. This company currently named as the confectionery company called Mars Wrigley. This is the company producing and distributing across world. They also have a couple of different products. So for any product, you can sell any product with a good intention. Only thing, you need to do a right marketing strategy. Guys, I hope you got a little inspiration from this video, or little detail of marketing. So in coming videos, we will be posting lot of marketing strategies with very good infographics and other techniques. So please do watch, subscribe and follow us. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Be safe.